everybody, welcome to another unboxing and product review. Today we have the PB03-AC. It's a phone holder. Yeah, PB03-AC. And you install this phone holder on the handlebar of vehicles, suitable for vehicles, bicycles, motorcycles, and electric vehicles, as you can kind of see that right there. And on the side it kind of shows there's an open and close button that enables you to retract, make the thing bigger or smaller. There is a sticker right here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that with my good old trusty knife. You guys be careful when handling knives, they can cut you. Okay, so we're going to see what's in here, and the very first thing I see is the instruction manuals. So you guys always want to read the instruction manuals. That way you know exactly how your product works. I always read those. Then we have some sticky tapes, 3M sticky tapes. There's 3 of them. That is what they look like right there, right out of the box. There you go. And then we have 2 pieces of hardware. We have this piece right here, which goes onto the handlebar of whatever you're going to mount it to. I'll use an example as a bicycle. This knob comes loose, like so, and then you put it opens up, and then you put it onto the bicycle, and then you simply mount it by tightening the screw back. I'm going to set that over here. The last piece of hardware is the actual, let's see, what am I going to call this? Is the actual grip itself. Now, on the back of this, you can clearly see it has a switch for open and close. You hold this to open, it doesn't just automatically switch, so you have to hold it there. So I'm going to hold that in the back to open, and you can move this right here. See guys, you can move this to the size of your phone. So when you move that to the size of your phone, you can also move it down to smaller, whatever the size your phone is. So once you get it to the size you want, you just let go, and that will be into the lock mode. Now these 2 items, once you get this locked onto your bicycle, you're going to take the back off of this, just screws off like so, and it goes into this. And then underneath is where you're going to screw this lid back onto. And do it until it feels flush, not too tight, and it can hold it in place. And this is, like I said, is going to be onto your bicycle. And once it's together, it's going to look like this. And it's going to be holding your phone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus with an OtterBox. So let's see if this thing can stretch all the way up to hold that thing. I'll be daggone. Well, daggone. It sure does. It holds it. See, look at that. It holds it right in place. That is an iPhone 7 Plus. The ridges fit nice and safely inside of these little corners. So guys, like I said, it comes with the instructions on how to assemble this. And it shows you how to put this ring on onto the handlebars. Also, if you remember these 3mm stickers, these little pads right here. Now each of them are supposed to have just a little different layer of thickness. And the smallest one being 2mm. Now, I've looked at all the stickers and they all look pretty much the same to me. So I have one I'm going to use and I'll show you what it's for. You'll see that there is a tip right here, like that's already cut out, for you to pull this backing off. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pull the backing. Let's see if this will come off easy. Had a little rough go of it just a second ago. Kind of got stuck a little bit right there. And go ahead and get the rest of that off there. Well, what you do is, you see how there's a path around the bracket here. And what you want to do is put it on like so. And you just kind of go all the way around, pressing down and make sure that it sticks on there. And what that does, that's for anti-shock. Basically, it keeps the phone steadier as you're going around or riding around with the phone. This is kind of what it looks like from the side. And if it ever gets damaged, you have two more. So I just wanted to explain what that was for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in real time how to mount this onto a 26-inch mountain bike, a Mongoose. See, if you get this right here, this is the handlebars. I'm going to put it on the right side. So the first thing you want to do is just unloosen this bolt right here, or that's on there, and this is going to be able to stretch. Don't stretch it too much, but just stretch it. And if you can come here and get closer, I'm going to show the people how this is done. See, you take this plastic piece and you open it until it's on the bike, just like that. And then you're going to take this screw, and it screws into the mount. You push it in until it gets kind of tight. Again, Incredible Hulk tight, but just where it's not going to give anymore. And then you can angle this thing however you want. And just like I said before, you can have the clip push up. See, you can make it go in if you have a smaller phone, where you hold open, and then you make it go up if you have a bigger phone, then you just let off. You put your phone in there, and then you're ready to cruise.